Creating a virtual environment. A virtual environment is a copy of the Python interpreter into which you can install packages privately without affecting the global Python interpreter installed in your system. Your future self will thank you for using a virtual environment whenever possible. It helps to keep code contained and make it more replicable so all the dependencies and site packages are in one place. People set up virtual environments numerous ways, but here are the commands I follow. First, we're going to want to create a new project folder. Let's call ours TwitterBot. To do this, we can do mkdir, we're making a new directory, and let's call it TwitterBot. Great. Now we need to install Python 3.6.6 with PyEnv. We're going to navigate to the folder and change Python to Python 3.6, and then verify it's the correct version with the -- version command. So to switch into this folder we just created, we can cd. Now you'll see we are in this folder, TwitterBot, the one we just created. And let's run our PyEnv shell 3.6.6. Great. And then to confirm which version is running, we can write python -version, and we see we have the proper Python version. Next, we are going to call our virtual environment venv, that's V-E-N-V. The -m venv option runs the venv package from the standard library as a standalone script, passing the desired name as an argument. We will now create a virtual environment inside our TwitterBot folder. Again, you'll see around the internet that most people use venv as the virtual environment folder, but feel free to name it whatever. Just make sure your current directory is set to the TwitterBot and then run the following command, python -m venv venv. After the command completes, you'll have a subdirectory with the name venv inside our TwitterBot folder. Now we need to activate the virtual environment. To do so, we're going to run the following command, source venv bin activate. And you'll see what I did wrong was I wrote active instead of activate. So now when we run this, you'll see now we are in our virtual environment, which can be denoted by this venv in parentheses. Great. Now we're all set up. We want to make sure we always activate our virtual environment before making any changes to our code. We can also deactivate by writing deactivate. And again, to activate it, we will always just write source venv bin activate, and we are back. Next, let's look at modules and packages.